guys, welcome to another vlog here on my channel. It is currently 6 or 7 in the morning and I am heading to Europapark today. It is one of Germany's biggest theme parks. I'm only bringing my little action cam for the trip because it is way easier to film with that instead of my big iPhone camera vlog setup here. So I guess I go just straight into cinematics. See you later. On the monorail train here in the Europapark. I've just been on roof ride like 3 times and on both on timber coast and silver. So I've done all the thriller rides like right away because that's when the least amount of people are on the waiting line. So yeah, enjoy the view of the Great Lake at Adventureland. You probably saw all of the roller coaster footage and stuff. I think I'm probably gonna go to bed soon because we're like starting to drive at 4 at night today and it's already like 10, so yeah, not a lot of sleep. I didn't have a lot of sleep in the last couple of days anyways because I've been on a lot of parties and concerts and stuff, so yeah, I'm probably gonna edit this vlog when we're on the road because I can't sleep anyways. Well, I can sleep, but that's another story. So thank you guys very much for watching. This is not part of the Croatia vlogs yet. Those will start tomorrow. This will just probably be titled Europapark vlog. Yeah, I'm going to bed soon, so see you in 6 hours.